Welcome to the channel, where we help you build your online presence and turn your skills into income. Today, we're tackling a topic many aspiring creators ask about. How can you successfully sell a digital product without ever showing your face on camera? The answer is absolutely yes, and in this video, we'll show you exactly how. In today's digital age, personality-driven content is often emphasized. However, not everyone feels comfortable being the face of their brand, and that's perfectly okay. You can build a thriving online business selling valuable digital products without ever stepping into the spotlight. This approach can even be advantageous for certain niches and audiences. So how do you achieve this? It boils down to focusing on strong product value, effective marketing strategies that don't rely on your personal image, and building trust in other ways. Let's break down the key elements. Key elements for faceless digital product sales. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable products. This is the foundation of any successful business, but it's even more crucial when you're not relying on personal charisma. Your digital product, whether it's an ebook, a course, templates, software, or music, needs to solve a real problem or provide significant value to your target audience. The quality will speak for itself. Develop a strong brand identity without your face. While you won't be the face, your brand still needs a personality. This comes through in your brand name, logo, color scheme, fonts, and overall visual style. Create a consistent and professional aesthetic that resonates with your target audience. This builds recognition and trust. Master text-based and visual content marketing. Since you won't be on camera, your marketing efforts will heavily rely on written content and compelling visuals. This includes blog posts, articles, social media updates with engaging graphics, informative infographics, email marketing, and even short animated explainer videos. Utilize screen recordings and voiceovers. If your digital product involves software, tutorials, or demonstrations, screen recordings with clear voiceovers are incredibly effective. You can showcase exactly how your product works and its benefits without ever showing your face. A professional and clear voiceover is key here. Leverage customer testimonials and social proof. When you're not the face of the brand, social proof becomes even more important. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Feature these prominently on your website and in your marketing materials. Seeing positive feedback from others builds trust and credibility. Explore podcast and audio content. If you enjoy speaking but prefer not to be on camera, consider creating a podcast or audio content related to your niche. You can subtly promote your digital product within your audio content without revealing your face visually. Build a strong community beyond your personal identity. Focus on building a community around your niche or the problem your product solves, rather than around your personal identity. This could be through a Facebook group, an online forum, or engaging in relevant communities. Provide value and foster connections. Collaborate with other creators strategically. Partnering with other creators in your niche can expose your product to a new audience. Look for collaboration opportunities where the focus is on the product or the topic, rather than your individual personalities. This could involve joint webinars, where you don't have to be on camera, cross-promotion, or guest content. Utilize high-quality product mockups and visuals. Invest in professional-looking mockups and visuals to showcase your digital product. Whether it's an ebook cover, a course platform interface, or templates in action, appealing visuals can significantly increase perceived value and drive sales. Focus on SEO and targeted advertising. Optimize your website and content for search engines so that potential customers can find your product organically. Additionally, consider running targeted online advertising campaigns that focus on the benefits and features of your product rather than your personal image. Selling digital products without showing your face is entirely achievable. It requires a shift in focus towards product quality, strategic marketing that utilizes text and visuals effectively, and building trust through value and social proof. By implementing these strategies, you can create a successful and sustainable online business on your own terms. What are your thoughts? Are you considering selling digital products without showing your face? Share your questions and ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips on building your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.